Estimating budget and delivery dates for a software project can be quite complicated. It's actually quite simple when using the right tools. Today I'm going to walk you through creating a roadmap by using an agile automated planning tool. All right, guys, let's get started. So what you can see on the screen is kind of like a breakdown for my project that is called Secure Notepad. So that project is basically an idea to implement a notepad that could be used to create secure files like text files and everything, right? So it contains some multiple features which basically enable that functionality, right? So, like for example, ability to encrypt the text files with password and different editing controls like adding a ribbon and other important stuff, right? So what I'm going to do right now and what I want is to plan out this project into a timeline, into a roadmap, so I could clearly see the delivery dates for each particular feature that is basically a part of that project, right? So I actually, when I created these tickets, I already specified an estimate, a high-level estimate for every ticket. So, and I also specified dependencies. So these features are pretty much ready for planning, right? And I also specified group them into a single initiative so that it would be simple to oversee the general picture. So you can see in this initiative, I can have the list of epics that I want to implement. And then I conveniently can see the network diagram. And you can oversee like what dependencies we have here. Right? And then on the effort analysis, I can see that this is 100% development, right? I didn't add any effort for testing and anything, so let's just assume that that's only the development work that will be needed at this point. So, and I also have three teams in my configuration, three teams, eagles, tigers, and wolves, and every team has certain capacity for development, right? So that I could parallel the effort for the items that I want to plan. Uh, so let's do it. Let's go to the roadmap and then make that plan real. Right click edit. So I want in my mind I want to plan for the quarter 1 of 2026, right? And I want to set it as a milestone, like as a goal for that quarter, right? To implement that project. In order to do this, I'm adding a time box and I'm specifying the time range of the first quarter of 2026. So I'm selecting the start date as January 1st and as March 31st, and I'm naming it as quarter 1 2026. And I want actually all of my teams to work on this project. So I'm selecting all three teams for this implementation, and I'm clicking save. All right, so here we can oversee our time box. Right now, it doesn't have any items scheduled. So let's go ahead and move all of the prioritized items to this time box. Okay, I was able to add all the items, and here when I click preview, I can right away see the plan that system created for my implementation, right? It already assigned automatically all of the teams to all of the items that I was going to plan, and I can see that my project with this team configuration will be finished on March, somewhere on March 1st, right? So, or end of February. So now, what if I want to make that project happen by February? Well, maybe I need to remove some of these items, and I can try to play with the scope and just try to see if I can remove some of these items to make this project happen quicker, right? So let's go ahead and do this. I click edit, and now I can remove the items from the list, from the bottom of the list. So on the preview, Now we can see that the scope is tiny, right, compared to what it was before. But I can like for sure say that I will be able to deliver those items by February, and this is the realistic schedule of my MVP further on. Let's move the items as they were and click Save. This is the plan for my implementation, the roadmap for my project. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.